How to order new Cash App card. If you want to order a new Cash App card, simply launch Cash App and this is the interface that you will see. Then what you want to do is go to the home icon that you can find over there. From the home icon, this is the interface you will see. If you look at the bottom, you can see another card icon as well. So go to the card icon instead, and here you can see it says meet the Cash App card. Now to order a card, tap on get your free card button. After you've done that, it will ask you for a couple of on-screen prompts right there. Now in my case, unfortunately, my account is actually disabled temporarily. But if in your case, when you go to the get your free card, you'll be able to choose your card type. You'll also be able to select the type of card that you want and whether you want a virtual card or a physical card. If it's a physical card, it may take time to ship to your desired designation. But if it's a virtual card, it will be available instantly after approval. And this way you can order a new Cash App card. And I hope the video pretty much helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.